Hi there, students. Maul, M-A-U-L, to maul. Notice that or sound, maul. A lot of students have difficulty with that sound. Okay, either a verb to maul or a maul. Okay, I'm going to start with the real meaning of this, the origin. A maul is a type of triangular or wedge-shaped hammer in this sort of shape, which is used for splitting wood. It's not an axe because the edge isn't sharp. It's used to bash the wood really hard with something that breaks it apart, and that is a maul. Um, but let's see, to maul. I think I would use maul in if an animal mauls somebody, then it attacks a person and it injures them with their teeth and their claws. He was mauled by a tiger because he climbed into the cage at the zoo. Um, a child was mauled by a a dog in the park. Okay, so if you're mauled, you're attacked, you're injured. Yeah, you're injured maybe quite severely. Um, you can also use maul metaphorically, yeah, meaning to handle roughly. So my suitcase is very mauled as I've been using it for years. The package had been rather mauled during the delivery. It was banged about and broken, beaten and bruised a bit. And then you can use it even more metaphorically. The politician was mauled in the press. He was beaten up. He was handled roughly. They criticised him very strongly. And those are the meanings of to maul. Notice a mall, M-A-L-L, a mall, a shopping centre. Maybe the same sound, but different meaning. Okay, so to maul, to injure, to mutilate. Um, he was walking in the woods and he was mauled by a bear, or the boxer mauled his opponent. He beat him up thoroughly. I guess my team was mauled by the opposition. They beat us 6-0. Okay, so to maul, to beat, to bash up, to criticize, or to an animal attacking with its teeth and claws. You can also have a maul in rugby. This is where somebody's carrying the ball and somebody stops him, but he doesn't fall to his feet, and then everybody's fighting for the ball. That's a maul as well. And then to maul with a maul, a triangular or a wedge-shaped hammer used to split logs. Okay, so this is the idea of to maul. Um, the After renting the flat out for many years, the flat inside looked very mauled. Yeah, it looked rather beaten up. Yeah, it had been heavily used. So a maul, this type of hammer, yeah, um, to maul an animal, a wild animal mauls a person. He was mauled by a lion at the zoo. The mouse was mauled by the cat, but managed to escape. The package was very mauled. My car was rather mauled by the accident, but it still worked. He was mauled in the press. He was attacked in the press. Yeah, and then in rugby, a maul, everybody's fighting for the ball. Yeah, but he's got to stay on his feet. Okay, so let's see. To maul as a verb. This is 5 in formality. You can use it absolutely anywhere. I think the sledgehammer with pointed sledgehammer. This is probably technical, and many people might not know the meaning of it. but I don't think that's problematic. You could also actually use a maul in combat like that as well. And then to maul, to criticize, to beat up, to use heavily. Notice as well, to maul is a regular verb. The tiger mauled the man, and he has been mauled by a tiger, so a regular verb. And then the origin, well, it comes from Latin malleus, meaning a hammer. And that's why I started with the sledgehammer, meaning to split wood, and then goes through French mail, uh, a type of hammer as well. Okay, so something you've had for a long time has probably been heavily mauled by excessive use. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating. If you didn't like it, you can maul me in the comment section. Subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Maul.